I think the whole farm revenue insurance, it fit our operation perfectly just due to where we're diversified with cattle, hay, grain, corn. I mean, we have multiple products going in and out.
When whole farm revenue first came out, we really took the bull by the horns and went out, learned the product, and went out to the producers and the growers and said, look, we think you really need to take a look at this. And that product insures against revenue. So we look at tax history, we look at how much of an operation, you know, if you typically produce $1 million as a farmer, and we insure a percentage of that.
The insurance really does give you a little bit of cushion. It's one of those things, there is a lot of time and a lot of money, well, all your time and a lot of money invested in your crops that you got growing, and it takes one cold night.
And that one's been really good because it covers quality and it covers yield losses. So, for example, if you are an alfalfa grower and you cut your hay and it gets rained on, well, that potentially just, you know, you lost a lot of money. And so a lot of my hay guys really like that product because it covers the quality coverage.
Because there's no other protection you have for hay. I mean, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when you're going to get a rainstorm coming in to put a damper on your party, so to speak.
But I knew at the end of the day, whether we had a loss or not, I would be covered. I mean, I would way rather raise the crop, but if something did happen, which in this area, I mean, this is a beautiful place we live, but it always freezes in June and it always freezes in August, just about. So the growing season's pretty short, and you got to be it's pretty easy to have a problem.
We're able to insure a lot of our hay guys for, you know, upwards of $200 a ton. And at the end of that year, the majority of the hay producers ended up selling their hay for 90, 80, you know, they took a huge loss. And so a lot of those growers that we had insured under the program, it saved their farms in all reality.
We've had a few customers who, if they didn't have this coverage, quite simply, they wouldn't be able to get financed for the next year.